All right. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to businessfacebook.facebook.com to the business manager. Be careful, don't use your personal profile advertising account. You have to create a business manager. The difference between a business manager is that a business manager allow you to create multiple ad accounts at the same time. In comparison, you will only have one ad account if you use your personal profile. And that's the biggest mistake people are doing when they start advertising on Facebook. They create a personal Facebook ad account, and when they have a problem, their profile is banned and they cannot advertise at all on Facebook. All you have to do is to click on create. Once you click on create, you will be asked to log into your normal Facebook account with your normal credentials, and you will just create a business manager account. All you have to do is to choose a name for your business, your name, your business email address. You can use the same one as your regular Facebook account, but you can also select to be using another email account if you want to receive all your business related emails into that new email. And then you click on submit, and that's it. One thing I have to mention, you can create uh, two business manager normally with every personal profile. So what you have to do once you have created the first one, you're gonna go on business.facebook.com/create, and then it will give you the option to create another business manager. So that's it. I'm going to log in into the business manager, and I'm going to show you other stuff that you will have to set up. All right. So once you have created your business manager, you're going to click on settings on the bottom, okay, right there, and you're going to head over on add accounts. Now you will click on add. I have already one created, but for every business account, business manager, you are able to create uh, additional ad accounts. But with the recent Facebook updates, you will have to spend, I think, around $25 in order to have this unlocked. For most new business managers, you won't have this option right there to create a new ad account. But once you have the opportunity to create additional ad accounts, I would strongly suggest you to create them. The reason why is because if you have a problem with your ad account and Facebook choose to disable your ad account, you won't be able to create any new ad account at all. You will be blocked until you appeal their decision, and maybe they will give you access again to your business manager. But uh, if you didn't create any new ad account, so you're blocked completely until you have their decision. So once you have one business manager created and you have spent, I think, $25, you will be able to create a new ad account. So all you have to do is to create uh, an ad account. You give it a name, you choose your currency, your time zone, and that's it. Normally, you will have access to create up to 5 ad accounts under your business manager. So if you do the math, with 2 business manager, you will be able to create a total of 10 ad accounts. The reason why you want to do that really fast as soon as you have the option to do it is in the event that Facebook decide to block one of your ad accounts, you still have 9 to be able to use to advertise on Facebook. If you didn't do that before you have your issue with Facebook advertising policies, then you'll be locked and you won't be able to create any new ad account at all. And you'll have to find a way to be able to create another business manager. All right, one last thing you want to do, which each business account, you will click right there and click on view payment method. If you have just created your ad account, then you will have to add a payment method. This part is critical because you will have to um, decide which payment method that you will use. I would strongly suggest you, if you have a credit card, never put your credit card directly on the Facebook, on your payment method. Instead, create a PayPal account, all right? Then add your your credit card to your PayPal, and then use the PayPal account to be used as a payment method. The reason why you want to do that is because once you have your if you in the event that you have any issue with Facebook and you are not able to promote anything, your account is disabled, what will happen is that the payment method will also be blocked. I repeat, if your account is disabled, your payment method will also be blocked as well and blacklisted. If you try to use the same payment method, you will receive a red alert saying that this payment method has been blocked and cannot be used. But if you have created a PayPal account, then all you have to do is to just close that PayPal account and just open another one with the same credit card, and you'll be able to use it as a new payment method using the same credit card. This is another mistake people are doing. They put directly their credit card number on Facebook. It will be blocked, and you'll have to order a new credit card number in order to use Facebook advertising platform again. So avoid this, and you'll be good to go. Now, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your pixel, Facebook pixel, in order to start advertising on Facebook. So that's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want to follow this series on Facebook advertising to promote ClickBank products. And that's it, guys. Have a great day. Stay fresh. Stay pumped. Make money. The money's there. Make it and make it and make it.